So welcome students. So in this question you're given that you have a parabola y square is equal to 4ax and PQ is a focal chord. PQ is a focal chord and the tangents at P and Q meet at a point x1, y1 and the normals at P and Q meet at a point x2, y2. If that is so, what is the relation between these coordinates? Is there any relation between these coordinates? That's the question. So what we do is, let us construct this question mathematically. So to do that, let us assume that the parameter of point P is T1 and the parameter of point Q is T2. So let these two be the parameters T1 and T2. So now in terms of T1 and T2, the point of intersection of the tangents at the point of intersection of tangents drawn at the points P and Q whose parameters are T1 and T2 is given by A T1 T2 and A times T1 plus T2. This is a very standard formula in your theory. And the point of intersection of normals at T1 and T2 is given by 2A plus A times T1 square plus T2 square plus T1 T2, comma, minus A T1 T2 into T1 plus T2. So this is the point of intersection of tangents, this is the point of intersection of normals. So now it's given that we are looking at a special case where PQ is a focal chord. So what is the condition for focal chord? So condition for focal chord is nothing but T1 T2 is equal to minus 1. So condition for focal chord is T1 T2 is equal to minus 1. So in that case, what happens to these points? So the point A is nothing but, so minus A comma A times T1 plus T2, and point B is nothing but 2A plus A times T1 square plus T2 square minus 1, comma, T1 T2 is equal to minus 1. So minus T1 T2 is 1. So A times T1 plus T2. So now you can very clearly see that this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So what is the relation? Is there anything special about these 2 points? You can very clearly see that the y1 of this point and the y2 of this point are same, A T1 plus T2, A times T1 plus T2. Hence, the relation that we are looking at is y1 is equal to y2. That is, the y coordinate of the point A should be same as the y coordinate of point B. So these two lengths are equal. So that's the answer to this question. Thank you.